No joke. Oh my god, yeah, look at his mouth, it's so gross.
That's hilarious. Hello. I want a turn.
Hang on, Georgie.
Can I have a turn?
Hang on, Georgie.
Oh, yeah, like that.
Oh my god, that is so...
Can I have a go?
I'm a rider.
You want to have a go, Joe?
Yeah.
Go on, then. There you go. Oh, you didn't go. Dropped it in the snapper, got it.
I can just take about our snacker if he needs to.
He's the only one that lets us do it, hey?